Hi everyone, I'm back. Another very interesting video. And before I jump into the conclusion, I would like to show you the question and what is the ask. Okay. I've already created that, but don't worry about that. I will show you from the scratch what is the possible way. So first, before I jump into the conclusions, I'll tell you the story. One of my friend who has more than 4 year experience in Tableau. So they have asked this question. Okay. So understand first, like theoretical question, like theoretical question, like what is the difference between LOD and how to use fixed LOD and good LOD and what is the difference of that. So you good on that. You can explain that. The once you are like coming on to the right formula or the calculation and Tableau, then you stuck that. First, understand the question, like what is the ask, then jump into the conclusion. Okay. So this question has rejected my friend. Okay, one of the company in Gurugram. I'm not going to take it a name here, but yeah, you can got the idea. Okay, this is a question like they able to give three or four questions, but the last question, this one, because this can be the expected. Like you, if you have more than 4 year experience, definitely that could be the ask. Okay. So the interviewer knows the Tableau very well. So that's why he asked this question. If interviewer doesn't know the Tableau, he definitely will ask you the theoretical question like what is the difference, how to create the donut chart and some kind of function like fancy stuff. Not, uh, not that much, but someone who knows the Tableau definitely will ask you the more formulas, more calculation related some dates, related some min or max sales, and how to create new dates, how to create last date for each month, this kind of the question to understand first. Okay, so the question is you need to find max and min sale in the category level, product category level. Okay, the question can be different, like can you please write a formula or can you write a query? So the question exactly the same. Write a formula to find the minimum and maximum sales value for each product category, displaying red for the minimum sales and green for the maximum sales in the result. Okay, and they have given you the Tableau public edition. Okay, so first try to build a view, or maybe me let me write it here. So we have question as well as review. So first your category, then subcategory, sales, and descending on. So if you check the table, you have the chair, the maximum salary, and the furnishing, it is the minimum salary. If you check the office supply, storage has the maximum sales, not the salary. Sorry for that. And the fastener has the minimum sales. Technology font got the number one, and the copiers got the last. Okay. So already created that. Let me delete everything. And this one. So let's start with the community. So my approach will be the different. Your approach could be the different. If you know the better approach, just comment down in the below. Definitely, I will see that. Okay. Everyone has a different approach. So my approach will be I basically categorize the three parts. First, I will extract the minimum sales, then fetch the maximum sale. Then top of that, I'm using the flag. So minimum sales, first category. First, I will try to exact the view. Let's drag it into the view. Let's rearrange this. So we got the same view. Nothing has changed since we have fixed the category level, subcategory level. That's why we are able to see the exact. Let's create the max view. Later on, we'll edit this calculation to find the max sales. First, we create those calculations. First, max sales, same category, subcategory, sum of sales. So we have, let's take, we have already that, but never mind. Let's try. Okay, we got the same result, but we have created the min or max. Later on, we'll add it and find the min and max sales. Let's add it first, the min sale. So ask the category level, each product category level, flex category, and my min sale get from this level. Okay. So this is what this give me the actual value. What is the minimum? What is the sales in particular view? But what is does this is fixed in category level, and top of that they find what is the minimum of the sales in the particular view, like this category and subcategory. They find out, they will check, okay, they have aggregated, they have fixed the category level, they will check what is the min sale, what is what is the min sale category level and subcategory level, then it will find. If you observe there, just keep an eye, the minimum sale, the value will change. Boom. So we extracted minimum sales in the uh, table sales itself. Now you can see everywhere we able to extract the minimum sale. Minimum sales. Office supply 8,000. Technology 150,745. Let's add it max sale as well as which one? We have two. I don't. Let me delete it first. Okay. Same in to go to fix your category level. Instead of min, use max. I'm interested about the max sale from this particular view. Yes. So we have created two calculation, min and max, and based on that, what is the minimum sales and what is the maximum sale for the each category. Okay. So the next step, they wanted to color. So minimum should be red, and like the minimum should be red and the green should be maximum. Let's see, color flag. So I'm saying no. If sum of sales equal to 9, so we have already created limit sales, so no need to wrap them in, but we need to wrap in this sum because both are the aggregated claim. Otherwise, they will give you the error. Sales 10 minus 1, else if sum of sales equal to sum of 1 is 0. If nothing is met and both the criteria, give me 0 and if sum of cell was minus 1, else if sum of cell, we forget about the then. Okay, let's first let's I want to discrete one. Let's color it. Minus 1 will be my right. 0 will be my maybe let's 0 will be black. Okay, sorry, don't want to highlight anything. And green will be 1. Then I don't want those two calculations. We have already wrap up in the color function. Yeah. So you can see in the view category and subcategory min and max cell we are able to highlight that and both the category. Okay. So the question can be different. They will ask you to tell me the min or max cell the during in the data set. They will give the date and you need to find out the min or max cells. You just need to know the question, what is the question and your approach. So this is my approach. You can find out when on Excel using this category and subcategory. And if you know the better approach, please comment down and below. Definitely, I will check that. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.